Guys, good news coming in from the province of Ontario. Yet another super draw has taken place today, December 7th, and a lot of people have been invited, over 1000 people this time. Not only this, we have a good news that was shared by the Immigration Minister of Ontario that Ontario is looking forward to increased levels of immigration for the next year. Now, what are the details of the draw and what are the expectations of the minister and what are the expectations of Ontario for the next year, and with especially with regards to this draw that happened today is the main topic of the video today. Please be tuned till the end because all the news is spread up until the end. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you're an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be tuned into all the time. So guys, what we are discussing today is the famous PNP draws, and yes, once again, the largest province, the most famous province, the province of Ontario has come back with yet another draw, inviting 1186 people under its famous OINP, the Ontario PNP, which everybody has been normally waiting for. And after the month of October, the big month, the province of Ontario is back yet again with another big draw. Now guys, talking about the draw, people were majorly invited in three broad streams of the Ontario PNP. All of them were a part of the employer job offer category, namely the foreign worker stream, the international student stream and the in-demand skill stream. There were also some additional invitations that were sent out under the regional immigration pilot of the PNP. Now, how many people were invited in the program? Here is a breakdown of the list. Now, within the stream, the foreign worker stream, the general category, it says around 470 invitations were sent out with a minimum EOI score of 37. And within this, the targeted draw of regional immigration pilot was 33 people. Now, if you talk about the international student stream, generally 583 people were invited with an EOI score of above 62. The targeted draw for regional immigration pilot here was 37. And the in-demand skill stream, the targeted draw for health, manufacturing and the agriculture occupations, 53 people were invited. And the targeted draw for regional immigration pilot candidates, 10 people were invited. So all in all put together, you can see that 1186 people were invited. If you look at the NOC codes which were invited, majorly in the health and agriculture occupations, you had nurses, aides, orderly, patients in service. Then you had home support workers, general farm workers, nursery and greenhouse workers. Then you had harvesting laborers and industrial butchers and meat cutters. Now, if you talk about the manufacturing NOC codes, majorly people from outside GTA were invited, and within them the NOCs usually the NOCs were mainly around the machine operators, mineral and metal processing. They were metal working and forging machine operators. You had machining, tool operators, plant machine operators. Then you had process control and machine operators, food and beverage associate product processing, and then you had industrial painters and other related manufacturing NOCs. Guys, for everybody who has been a part of the expression of interest system of the OINP, now you already know the EOI system was launched in this particular year and has been working successfully. You get to make a profile in the Ontario PNP, the EOI system, and based on your profile, your experience, NOC code, the Canadian WorkX, the international WorkX and everything, the profiles are allocated certain points. And just like today, this is the draw that happens every now and then, and people are sent out invites. Now guys, if you have been sent an invitation, please do check your emails and your portals. If you have received an invitation, I definitely wish you all the best. Guys, another big part of the news is that the Immigration Minister of Ontario, Mr. Monte McNaughton, has told the news agency that the province is eyeing double numbers of candidates in the year 2022. The province will be submitting a request to the federal government in order to double the allocated budget or the quota so that the province can meet its local neighbor needs. The province clearly says that the local labor requirements are huge, and the province will be looking forward to meeting those requirements in the coming year, which ultimately means lot of people will get a chance to complete their dreams of becoming a PR in the province of Ontario, right? And most of the people, or a lot of people, want this to happen. Guys, this is definitely a very good news, a very good outlook, and onset for the next year to come. Well, let's see what does the year 2022 have in store for us. We're all waiting for the FSW draws and the CEC draws also to take place. But until then, all those people who got an invitation today, a hearty congratulations and wishing all the best to all of these guys. And for everybody else who's willing to come to Canada, I wish you guys all the best. If you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Please feel free to schedule a session with me. Guys, until we meet again in Canada, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.